CIET NCERT presents audiobook Looking Around, textbook of environmental studies for class 3, page number 103, chapter number 16, Games We Play.
There is a picture on page number 103. In this picture, there is a figure of the game Stapu, hopscotch on the ground. 3 children are playing this game and their chachi is looking at them.
All the children were playing Stapu, hopscotch in the lane. Avantika and her sister Nandita were also playing, but Nandita was not able to play the game in the right way. Avantika:
Listen to me carefully, Nandita. Understand the game. Throw the marker Tippy in the first box. Then, on one leg, jump over this box into the next one. Keep in mind, you can put both your feet down together only in the boxes marked 4 or 5 and 7 and 8. Take care, your feet should not touch the lines. If it touches, you're out of the game. When you reach the last box, turn around. When coming back, pick up the marker and bring it back. Now, throw the marker in the next box. Similarly, keep throwing the marker in all the boxes one by one and continue the game.
Note: in the lesson, the names of some local games like hopscotch, 7 tiles, etc., and the things used to play them, like the marker, have been mentioned. Since many of these games have their own local variations and names, a discussion on those will make the chapter more relevant to the child. Page number 104. The children started playing again. Since long, Chachi was watching them play. She too felt like playing with them. She could not keep herself from asking.
Can I play with you?
The children laughed aloud. Avantika:
Chachi, you will play?
Chachi:
Do you think I do not know how to play hopscotch? At your age, we played so many different games.
Nandita:
Which games did you play, Chachi?
Chachi:
Langdi Tang, hide and seek, 7 tiles, and so many more. In Kabaddi, our team was the best among 10 villages.
Rajat:
Chachi, how did you get so much time? We hardly get any time to play.
Chachi:
You're so busy watching TV all the time.
Nandita:
Chachi, did Chacha play these games too?
Chachi:
Your Chacha says that he used to play marbles, 7 tiles, wrestling, kabaddi, gilli danda and so many other games the whole day. While flying kites, he would even forget his meals.
Nandita:
Chachi, do come and play.
Chachi started playing with the children. They had been playing just for a short while when it started raining. Page number 105.
There is a picture given on page number 105. In this picture, 2 persons are playing the game chess.
All the children.
Oh no!
Chachi:
Let us go to my house. We'll play inside.
The children were happy to hear this. All the children.
Come on!
Let us go to Chachi's house to play.
The children came to Chachi's house. Inside the house, Chacha and Bua were playing chess. Avantika:
What should we play?
Rajat:
Let us play house.
Many children.
Yes, let's play House.
Rajat.
If we had a doll, we could have played with it.
Chachi.
Do you want a doll? Let us make one right away.
Chachi took out some old cloth. With Chachi's help, children made a doll. Some children wanted to play carom and others ludo. They formed groups and started playing. Page number 106. Write the names of all the games mentioned in the lesson in the table below. Make a house in front of those games that one played indoors. Against the outdoor games, make a tree. Don't forget to write the number of players needed for the game. If some other things are also needed to play the game, then write their names as well.
There is a table given on page number 106. This table is further divided into 4 columns. In the first column, from the left, write the names of the games mentioned in the lesson. In the second column, make a symbol of house in front of those games that one played indoors. And against the outdoor games, make a symbol of tree. In the third column, write the number of players needed for the game. And in the fourth column, write the names of some other things that are also needed to play the game. Then, write their names as well.
Note: some children might need help to fill the table. Encourage the children to help each other. Children easily learn a lot from each other. Page number 107. Do you play any game similar to hopscotch? What do you call it? Draw the figure that you make to play the game in the space below. There is a space given on page number 107. You have to draw the figure of any game similar to hopscotch that you play.
Do you play some games with your family members? Which games and with whom? Here is a table given on page number 107. It is divided into 2 columns. In the first column, from the left, write the names of your family members you play games with. Do not forget to mention the name of the game in the second column. Also write whom do you play this game with.
Page number 108. 1. Do you know the name of any famous sports person in your area? If yes, write her or his name and the game with which she or he is associated. Write your answer in the blank space provided here.
2. How many games do you know which we play with a ball? Write their names in the ball. Here is a shape of a ball given on page number 108 with 5 blank spaces. Write your answer in it.
3. Have you heard of Sania Mirza? She also plays a ball game. Find out which one and write its name.
4. Which game do you like the most?
Find out from the elders in your family or in the neighborhood. Which games did they play when they were children? There are 6 blank spaces given here. Write your answer in them. Note: collecting information on famous local sports persons will increase children's knowledge of games and also develop their respect towards these people. Page number 109. Match the riddles with the pictures. Write the name of the game in the given space.
There are some riddles given in the text form on the left and right side of page number 109. Also, there are some pictures given in the middle of the page. There is a blank space provided with each riddle. For example, first riddle from the left is, small and colored are these glass balls. To win the game, you have to aim with them all. Match of this riddle is, picture of 4 pebbles. Write the name of the game Pebbles in the space provided. Follow the same method for rest of the riddles.
If you land on a snake, do not frown. In this game, you go up and down. Write your answer in the blank space provided here.
It has no wings, but it can fly high, high up in the sky. Write your answer in the space provided here.
On the board are squares, black and white. There's the king, the queen and the knight. Write your answer in the blank space given here.
King, queen, ace and jack. 52 of them make a pack. Write down your answer in the space provided.
4s and 6s, if you can get. A century is sure, I can bet. Write your answer in the space given here. Note: children would have played some of the games mentioned in the lesson. Some of the games they have seen, heard, read or seen in movies and plays. All these can be included in your discussions. Page number 110. Besides playing, what else do you do? There are 6 blank spaces given here. Write what else do you do besides playing in these 6 blank spaces. Besides their work, what else do your family members do? Color the pictures which show what your family members do in their free time. If you want to add more, you can write or draw in the blank spaces.
There is a picture given on page number 110. This picture is divided into 9 parts. In the first part, picture of a book is given and in the corner of the box, reading is written. In the second part, and stitching and embroidery is written at the bottom of the box. In the third picture, a lady is dancing and dancing is written in the corner of the box.
In the fourth box, there is a drawing of 2 boys talking to each other and smiling. The word chatting is written in the corner of this box. In the fifth box, there is a boy drawn here who is planting a tree. The words looking after plants is written in this box. In the sixth box, there is a stamp book drawn. Many stamps are put on the pages of this stamp book. The words collecting stamps is written in the corner of this box.
Rest of the 3 boxes are empty. Now, you have to color the pictures which show what your family members do in their free time. If you want to add more, you can write or draw in the blank spaces. For example, if someone in your family likes planting plants, then color the 5th box.
Chapter number 16, Games We Play, ends here.